Hi, I'm Randy Reed. It's todayinlighting.com. Friday, 5 September. We're sponsored by Pompeo Group, your go-to solution for hiring in lighting, electrical, and controls. Hire brighter. If you enjoy Today in Lighting, please hit the like button. Here are the stories making news. Last week we reported on NEMRA and IES launching a stepped education curriculum offering 4 progressive levels of lighting training. Yesterday I interviewed Jeff Bristol of NEMRA and Brianne Wilcock of IES, and we learned a lot more. Watch the full video interview with Jeff and Brianne at edisonreport.com. Philips Hue reveals the Hue Bridge Pro. Essential range, new strip lights, and security upgrades, redefining smart lighting with AI, accessibility, and immersive home experiences under its Reimagine Your Home campaign. I have the very first generation of Hue, and it's time for an upgrade. A small town in the UK will restore overnight street lighting after receiving complaints. They kept their lights off for over a year, but a new LED program launching in November enables safety improvements while maintaining cost efficiency. Pure Edge Lighting is hiring a product manager assistant. This full-time role supports product development from concept to production, requiring technical knowledge, organizational skills, and cross-functional teamwork. Learn more at edisonreport.com. Yesterday, the Dow was up 350 points. NASDAQ gained 210. And look at Acuity. They were up $7.03, beating their previous January all-time high close. Congratulations to Acuity. That's it. Go light up the world. Have a great weekend. Pray for peace.